Looking to expand your production in an area which has 354 million euros of support available from the European Union Just Transition Fund and knows how to use it? Then bring your business to East Estonia. With the help of our Ida-Viru investment agency, Ida-Viru has become the first region and Neo Performance Materials the first company in all of the EU to receive the grant. Want to know what other boxes Ida-Viru checks? Well, here you go. An area known for its industry and manufacturing? Check. A hard-working and well-educated workforce? Check. A digital environment built to accommodate both businesses and production? Check. And, of course, a highly developed infrastructure and transportation system? Check and check. And, if all that isn't enough, we at Ida-Viru Investment Agency will sweeten the deal with soft landing services, free of charge, and new industrial parks with modern infrastructure and a lot of room to grow. We've already proven we can help build success stories. Now, we invite you to become the next one. Check our website for more at IVIA.ee.